If you want to use a domain purchased on Wix with your Hostinger hosting, here's exactly how to connect them step by step. So firstly, of course, you will need to purchase a Wix domain. And when you have it, that's when you can copy all of the data, insert in Hostinger, and then use your custom domain. So for example, I will use my own. So I bought a very cheap domain on this service. Okay, and in here, as you can see, this is a purchase domain that I bought. So now I need to go to the settings, then I need to go to change DNS records, and in here I will need to provide all of the data from Hostinger. And to do this, you will need to go into your Hostinger. You go to domains, domain portfolio, and then transfer domain. In here, as you can see, you can transfer your domain. So for example, I just copy mine like that and transfer it. Press on transfer. So as you can see, you need to also have a domain that supports this transfer process. So as you can see, my domain is not supported by this extension. But in general, if you're using Wix, you go to domains and then manage domains. All right, so you go to Wix, you go to settings, and in the settings search, you type in domain. Okay, you go here. And as you can see, you can here select the domain you wish to connect to Hostinger. After that, under your Wix domain settings, find Advanced DNS and Name Service. Replace the default Wix name service with the Hostinger name service you copied earlier. If you prefer using A-records, I've already shown you guys where that is. You can add an A-record pointing your domain to the Hostinger IP instead. And after saving your changes, DNS updates can take up to 24 to 48 hours, though it usually happens faster. And during this time, your website may go offline temporarily. And once propagation is complete, open your browser and enter your domain. It should now load your Hostinger hosted websites. You can also check connection status in Hostinger domain management panel. And that's how you connect your Wix domain to Hostinger, update your name service or a record in Wix, and wait for propagation. And then your domain will point to your Hostinger website, and then you're done. Enjoy the guide. Hopefully this helped. If it did, like and subscribe.